joy they mà lao let on lao này liệt same side potato we use one potato and one onion if you like onion you put more it's okay
Yeah.
so some people they don't like onion so they don't put just only potato
Would you eat it with meat also if you're not vegetarian, or is it most common just vegetables?
yeah for the samosa more vegetable if you like meat so you put it in so we cannot try it like that
No.
that guy this is vegetarian better
Okay.
next time we try it let's see like,
But do you eat it in the morning, breakfast, or is it
the
snack?
whole day
Oh, the whole day.
yeah so most people drink in the morning and a coffee and a tea
Okay.
so here our so if you're hungry so some people curry we don't have curry so we eat it samosa so like a food so
Okay. So it's less like a snack.
yeah
or
it's like a snack
small. Oh,
Okay.
look at this.
masala
What's it? It's called just masala blend
Yeah.
or masala mix?
just a masala we call it there's the Indian masala
Mm.
so also we have Chinese masala
Mm.
Chinese masala we put vegetable wrap
Okay.
spring roll
Yeah.
so
yeah.
this is Indian masala we put a samosa and then potato curry
Okay.
different kind yeah
Okay. Yes.
so we put half teaspoon sugar and then salt also
Half.
no half no I think 1/3 so masala is 2 teaspoon
Mm.
so paprika is 1 teaspoon if you like paprika you put more it's okay
Smells good.
bit this is for the glue
Okay.
making glue
Okay.
water very thick
Very.
that's it too no
Super thin.
yeah very difficult how to do I don't know this one we buy 100 piece we pay to 130 baht
Wow. That's so cheap.
this one we cut it like this we're making samosa
So if you buy ready-made, you can just.
yeah ready made so not hard for the hand
But they're still handmade. So there's someone like sitting there and making these by hand.
yeah for them
cooking.
shop
Yeah.
so sometimes they choose samosa wrap so no they looking like this so I buy that this one is too how to call not too I think so we use two layer
Two layer.
yeah
Okay.
this is how to call it,
Oh,
stick.
yeah.
Yeah not too thick so
Mm.
we make it two layer
Yeah.
so we put it here
looks so easy.
Yes. Try that samosa.
Nice. So they fry very, cook very quickly.
Why need hot?
Mm.